Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Christian Levi. I want to talk to you today on 11 side hustles to make money online. Believe it or not, there are ways to make money online. It is true that when people say there are ways of making money online, it is true. It is not a joke. There are ways you can make money online, real money. But the question is, how do we know which way? How do we know what to do to make money? A lot of people ask me a question, but how do I know what to do to make money online? And this is why I came up with this topic. This is 2022, guys, and I believe that it is more easier than ever to make money online. So, without further ado, I want to get into this topic and discuss it. Hopefully, you will gain some idea and pick up something from this topic. Number one is freelance. Freelance is, in a nutshell, freelance is when you have a skill or you have what you are good at. Maybe you are a writer, maybe you are a journalist, maybe you are in a legal side of things like a lawyer, or maybe you are an accountant, or you are a designer, a creative person, you are a website designer or app developer. You can set your business online and people will hire you. When people hire you, you can make your presence known online. And there are so many places you can showcase your business. And some of these places will be like upwork.com, fiverr.com. And when I mean Upwork and Fiverr, these are not the only sites you can publish your work. There are so many of them. But what I want to advise you here is to research. Google should be your friend. You should research anything. Anything you hear people talk about on YouTube, online, make a research. Google it and find out if this is true or not. So, number two is social media manager. Did you know that a lot of people are too busy with things that they can, with their business, they don't have time to go uploading photos and post every day on Instagram. They don't have time for that. They are so busy with other business, but they still need the online presence. So they can hire you to be online manager for them. This is not a joke. It is true. If you're good with social media, if you're a creative person, you can even learn to be. There's nothing wrong to learn to do something. You can learn things in places like Fiverr.com. You can see a lot of people doing it there. You can go to Udemy.com. You can go to Skillshare.com to learn how these things work. And you can also manage people's Facebook. You can manage their Instagrams. You can manage their Twitter. Even you can manage their YouTube as well. People are too busy that sometimes all they do is to record their video, and they need the editors, they need other people to sort it out, and they need a social media manager to upload it and make sure that it will be well optimized. So this is a good information for you. You can make money through this. It's not a joke. And number three is T-shirt design. Did you know there are people who make a living by designing T-shirts? If you are good with Photoshop, if you're a creative person, you can design T-shirts and sell it online without having a physical shop. You can sell your product online. A lot of people, when you go to Amazon, you see a lot of T-shirts in Amazon. How do you think people do it? There are shops online like Teesprings, like Redbubbles, where people can even where people can sell their stuff. But all you do is, if you're good with Photoshop, that's good. You can create designs, T-shirt. But also you can create t-shirt in places like in Canva. You can create t-shirt in places like placeit.net or canva.com. But you can also learn how to do them on YouTube. YouTube is a great educational site that you can learn anything. So go for that. Number 4 is voiceover actors. Did you know that if you have a golden voice, if you have a lovely voice, people can hire you to do voiceover for them? All they need to do is to send you like a script where you can read it and do a voiceover on it and send it back to them, and they will pay you for it. You see, your voice can be your talent. Your voice can be a source of income for you. Your voice can be a means of extra side hustles. So these are side hustles that you can make money today. You can start it today without wasting time. But all I'm saying to you is, whatever I've said to you today, make inquiries, go and research. I said before, make inquiries on Google to find out if what I'm saying is true or not. You can showcase your business or your skills and talents online. Like I said before, Upwork, Fiverr.com, these are places you can showcase. And there are some other places. They're not limited to these two. There are so many other places you can showcase your talent and your skills. Number 5 is video editing. Did you know that editing is becoming one lucrative business? A lot of people are creating videos. A lot of people are too busy creating videos, promoting their businesses, but they need somebody like you to edit their video for them. A lot of people make up to 5 videos in a day. A lot of people make up to 10 videos in a week or more than that. How do you think they do all these things? You see, some of them are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, anywhere. They are everywhere. And how do you think they do it? People do the editing for them, and you can be one of them. If you're a good editor, you could be sitting on money without knowing it. So this is another source of income here for you. And editing is not just for men or for women. Editing is for everybody. You can edit a boy, a girl. As long as you're of age, you can edit, no problem. All you do is to learn what it takes to edit. For me personally, when I wanted to start my YouTube, what took me time, a little bit of time, is how can I edit my video? But then I went to udemy.com and I bought some courses. It cost me money. I bought some courses and I started to learn how to do editing. I went to skillshare.com. I went to youtube.com and I learned so much how to do editing. But sometimes the things you like or you want in life will cost you money. It cost me money because I wanted to get the real stuff and I paid money to get it. I'm still a baby in editing world, but at least I can edit my videos. So you can learn and make money from it. Also, after you learn, you can also showcase your work in Upwork, in Fiverr.com, or in Skillshare.com. People will buy your course. People will pay you money for your course, for the things you produce. There's no joke about it. There's no gimmick about it. Number 6 is creating content on YouTube. Did you know that creating content is easy for everybody? Well, you can create things online. Anybody can make a video. Anybody can create content on YouTube. When you create content on YouTube, it may not start to gain traction at the day one, but as time proceeds, you will gain more traction. People will get to know you. But you can create, you can design, you can create content. You speak on whatever you like. A lot of people make videos in their houses. They make video at the comfort of their house and edit them and publish it. You can talk about anything you like, but you can do it. I know you can. Number 7 is create online courses. If you're a good teacher, if you're a good tutor, people can listen to you, people can learn from you. You can teach people on gardening. You can teach people on editing. You can teach people on painting. You can teach people on drawing. You can teach people about mathematics, English. You can teach anything online. So creating courses is something there for you if you know you have what it takes. What I mean by what it takes is not everybody can teach. Some are teachers. That's why we have teachers who are good teachers. And that's why we have students. After learning, they'll do some other things. Not everybody can teach. So if you are gifted, if you can teach, good on you. Go for it. You can create content. You can create courses and make real money. Publish your work in Skillshare and make money from it. So you can also make your presence known online in so many websites and people will get to know you. And number 8 is become Instagram influencer. A lot of people think that because to be an Instagram or somebody on Instagram, is only to publish or expose your half-naked body. No, it's not all about that. Instagram is a money-making business. If you can do stuff, if you can bake, if you can cook, whatever you think you can do, if you can make hair, if you can do sew clothes, if you can do makeups, you can make money. You can create a great follower on Instagram and make money. Number 9 is design logos. Did you know that logo designers are making money? Logo designers and flyers and social media posts, these people make money online. Believe it, they make money online. So what you need to do is, if you can design logos, if you can design social media posts, if you can design flyers, you can make a lot of money and publish your work in Skillshare, publish your work in Fiverr.com, publish your work in Upwork.com and make money. Are you talented? Are you skillful? You can be sitting on money. You can make money online. There's nothing that will stop you to make money. You can make money online because a lot of people are making money online, believe it. Number 10 is to become an affiliate. An affiliate is basically, if you go to like Amazon, for example, you see a lot of people are selling stuff online. All those things people sell online, you can be an affiliate in Amazon, for example. I use Amazon because everybody knows Amazon. You can affiliate with Amazon. You register for Amazon Associate program. Once you register as Amazon Associate, you will be accepted by Amazon, and I hope you will be accepted for Amazon Associate. And you choose a product and you choose products you want to sell, you want to affiliate with, publish it on the site, maybe in your Instagram or your social media sites, and people can click on them and buy them. You make commission. It's not a joke. A lot of people are making money through associates. You can make money through associate too. So number 11 is start a blog post. Did you know that bloggers make money? Yes, they make money. It is not a joke. They do make money, but you don't just start blogging and start making huge amount of money. How it works is this: like every other business, every other job, you need time, you need patience, you need to persevere, you need hard work in whatever you do so that your business will start yielding you money. So what you do is, you just like every other thing, you research for what you want to do. What topic do people like to read? People want to read good things. There are things that really sell online. How to make money and all the rest of it. Or you need to go and research and find out what you are comfortable with and what will make you money. Once you start blogging, start writing, putting out your articles and your posts out there, you will make money. Bloggers make money. They do really make money. It may not be immediately, but they will make money at the long run. That is why you need to perseverance. You need consistency. You need hard work. You don't need to look back. When you're doing what you're doing, just be consistent and press on. You will make money from doing what you're doing. So the question is, are you a good writer? That's a big question. Are you a writer? Can you write? Can you write a post people will read and go, wow? Because like I said, not everybody can write. Not everybody can write something interesting. That's true. Not everybody can teach. Not everybody can be public speakers. Everybody has got gift and what they do and what they know they can do. People have their strength and their weaknesses. So are you a good writer? Can you write something that people will love to read and go, wow? If you are, why are you wasting your time? You could be sitting on money now. So do something today to change your life. Don't waste your time. The time people waste, all their time is gone. This is 2022. Don't waste your time. So use your talent. Stand up and move forward. You will make money. There are genuine ways of making money. Life is not about quick rich scheme. No. This, what I've just told you, is not quick rich scheme. It's something that you will pick it up, work on it, develop on them, research on it. You find out that people really make good money and you can also make good money. So thank you for your time. And I just want to say that if you haven't really subscribed to my channel, I want to ask you to like, to share, to subscribe to my channel, and I will have to see you soon. You have a wonderful time. Till next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.